Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you 10 ways that you can use your Cocoa Daisy daily to-do pages. So for this idea, I am showing a junk journal. And so I created this and I showed this in the group. And all I did was originally I taped the pages together. This is a little bit bigger than the standard size. So I just thought it would be fun to create a book. I can either do like a collage. I was even thinking about maybe doing like some fun travel memories and maybe for 2017, I don't know, but I just wanted to do something fun. So I taped it a long stapler. So I just stapled 2 staples and I'll just give you like a quick run through. I decided to show you one idea for using the pages. And if you don't want to do the tape and stuff, you can always punch holes, use rings, and also make a book out of that as well. So here I put journal, so it could be like daily, and then I just put a piece of tape. You can see it. You can put some better washi tape or whatever, but I want to use most of the items that were in the kit. This was the January kit. So that was my goal, was to use most of those items in the kit so you don't have to go out and buy anything. You can just use what's in your kit. So I just put like daily journal. You can even add, it comes with all kinds of embellishments. So if you want to put an arrow in the middle, you could put whatever embellishments or even embellishments you have at home, sequins, enamel dots, whatever. So I put date. So if you wanted to, you could take the correction tape and cover these squares, or you could just keep it. So I didn't use a ruler or anything. I just put a line, but you can just write right through this. If it's your own journaling, do what you need to do. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look perfect. Just let it be the way you would want it to be. So this is for you, and don't worry about anything else. You can even embellish the bottom. You can put, you'll see in the other areas, I actually put a post-it note, like I'll show you, for example, like this. You can use it and just cover that up and just write as a daily journal. And in the back, I did the same, covered that up, daily journal date, and then you could just write. Just make it a journal, and you can even embellish it as much as you want to. That's another idea. So idea number 3 are note pages for school, church, work, or meetings. So I thought it would be cool. What I did was I stapled this. I put 3 staples and put this memo. This came in the kit. Covered it with tape, made like a little flag, and it says meeting notes. So it could say meeting notes, church notes, whatever. You could put the time, what the meeting's about, and just use this as a note page. So then what I did, went in, wrote highlights. So if you want to write some highlights down, continue your notes. So you can actually use this as well for church, for meetings, or even for your children for school. And you can see their notes and create a book. So once again, I use this, and you just white these all out and you have note pages. And there you go. another way to use this, and you could put as many as a staple can hold. You can even put a cover on the front, decorate it and put like school notes, church notes, whatever. And if you want to keep the holes, then you can always put it in one of the memory keeping binders, stick it in there, and then you have it stored. And there you go. So that is idea number 3. Idea number 4, you can create a chore chart for yourself or for your children. So each child can even have a chore chart. So what I did, once again, I used this, wrote in the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, on down, covered it with one of the sticky notes that came in the kit. I put over this clean, or you can even put some tape and or print out chores. So I put clean to do in the house. So whatever, yeah. So you can even give these to each child. And for that would be 4 weeks. So 4 times, if you have 2 kids, 8. Just 8 sheets that can be done. So they have the chore chart. On the back, I white this out, and at the top I just put daily to do follow-ups. I don't know about you, but for me, I have to do follow-ups with my children to make sure that they're getting their stuff done. This is a good way to track and follow up, and even maybe like put like a little, if you do like a reward system, whatever, sticker system, then you can use that. And then there you go. You have a little chore chart. You can even hang it up on the wall with the washi tape, or you can hang it up on the refrigerator, and then that also gives them boxes to check off. So, and what I did, I just took the, I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. I just right here added my own boxes. So then you can add the boxes for chores, okay? So that's another thing, and even chore chart for yourself, even if you want to put in your plan or whatever, but it's all on one page. Next is birthday, anniversary, or reminders. So sometimes for the month, you may want to group everything together. So for here, once again, I use this, and I covered up daily to do, put celebrate. This is one of the arrows that was inside, embellishments that was inside of the kit. So you have your birthday list for the month, your anniversary list for the month, and parties to attend. So if there's any parties, anything you need to do, then there you go. You have that section to write that down. And even like for your children, you know, if they have to go to a party, whatever, this is also something you can give them. So don't even just think of it for yourself, but you can also think of it for them. So then also, if there's like a scheduling you need to follow, the Post-it is perfect for if you need to like jot down some notes or whatever and need to stick it in your purse, then that's, you can use that. So on the back, I just covered it with washi tape again, that was in the kit. Once again, use this to white out, and maybe you need to buy gifts, or maybe you need to plan, maybe you're playing a part in that celebration, whatever. There you go, you have your note. So up here, I have the road trip sticker, destination, that was in the kit, destination plan, the must-dos of what you need to plan for your trip. If you need to call or email for reservations, I believe there's also, they had like a little reservation stickers and some other little stickers that you can add. So maybe you need to add some numbers and make some calls or some emails before your trip. To-do list on what you need to do, what you need to plan before you go. Maybe you have some things scheduled that day. And so for this, these are actually the printables, the free printables for subscribers. And I also just took these stickers that were a part of the kit, cover this up, and covered up the hydration and kind of embellished it. It made it a functional destination plan list. And then on the back, maybe a 15-minute pickup, or maybe you need to have some coffee or something, maybe some meals, some restaurants you want to go to. I kept the notes and ideas. Of course, you can white that part out. Stuff to bring. So this is perfect for what you need to pack, what you need to pack for your children. Once again, this can be a list for your children. It doesn't have to be just for you, for your grandchildren, friends. These pages are very functional and you can use them. And it's nice because there's no dates on them. So these are very functional pages and I really enjoy them. So there you go. Number 8, I didn't show anything, but I just want to give an idea of what you can do for number 8. So for this one, what you can do is you can actually create this to make it functional for work. I know the week pages are very popular, but you can always use the daily to-do pages, as I have a list right here. Maybe you want to exercise at work. Maybe you can do like an exercise log or exercise chart. You can even do a meal plan list for your lunch, for your children's lunch. So then you're focused on what you will eat for lunch for work. You can also do like a weekly budget plan, even for the week if you want to write those out. And for each day, maybe you want to budget for, each day. So maybe you can check off, how much you spend, or just kind of log how much you spent. Maybe you have some work goals. This can be a work goal page. Just white this out and put some tape over it, work goals. It can be a reminder page. It can also be a crafty log. Okay, so a lot of people use these pages right here to do the menu. For last week, I decided to do the menu for February 12th through 18th. My menu's there. And for this next page, I'm doing my menu for this week. So I decided I wanted to try to use the daily to-do pages for a meal plan for week 4. So here it goes. So what I did, once again, I did the boxes again. So I just kind of doodled meal plan week 4. This is from February 26th to March 4th. I just used the stickers that came in the kits. These are actually from December. I kind of mixed it up. Oh, I forgot. I opened this and I've seen some ideas to slit the pages so you don't have to keep opening up your rings, which I slid it. I forgot to show you. So what's nice about this, just put it right back in your binder and there you go. It fits right in, and then you just pull it out and you can use, yes, your page. You don't have to open up your rings and ruin your rings all the time. You could just put slits in your pages. So I forgot who I got that idea from. I've seen several people do it. So I decided to do that as well. So I probably start doing that for my all my pages. But okay, so that's what I did. So Monday through Sunday. So I will write my meals for the week, and then on the back, daily to do, and then just for fun, just put this stamp that came in the kit and this one, and then to buy. So I also had I can't find my Post-it because I went to the store, but this is my notes. But I just clipped the Post-it note right here, wrote down my list of things I needed. You can even write it on here and then rewrite it if you want to. Cross off as you go, and then you have a meal plan for the week that you can use for your daily to-do pages. Okay, last but not least, you can also use your pages for either doodling on a page. Just do some doodling if you want to. Practice bullet journaling. You can do a stamp sample on the back of these pages. This area could be a stamp sample. You can actually do a stamp log if you want to. Cut all these out and log all the stamps you have. And embellishments if you want to do like a collage, embellishments, but also memory keeping. So I just did a fun quick little page, and these are printables. So you'll notice my printables have a little shimmer. I used a shimmer paper when I printed them out. So all this came in the collection. These stickers came with a pocket page kit, I believe in December. So yeah, so you can also use this as a little fun little memory keeping page or doodling page. So there you go. Lots of fun ideas, and please let me know if you do any of these ideas. Please post it in a group. I would love to see what you do with your daily to-do pages. If I've been inspirational, please just leave a comment. It really makes me feel good to know that people are getting ideas. I just want to know if you like this video and if it's helping you. So I hope you all have a blessed day, and keep on planning, keep on scrapbooking, keep on doing whatever fun things you're doing. And yeah, don't make it a task. Make it something that you enjoy. So I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.